My name is Tony Gemignani. I'm a 12-time world pizza champion. Today I'm going to show you how to make some amazing pizza. So the older the dough, the better. I'm looking for a dough that I made today and use it in 24 hours, 36 hours, even 48 hours if you could. The longer you let that yeast feed, the less simple sugar content that's in that dough. If you're cooking in your home oven and it's between 500 degrees and 600 degrees, always add a browning agent to your dough recipe. These type of ingredients will help your dough brown quicker and you'll have a much better pizza. When I'm looking for great mozzarella, I look for whole milk mozzarella. Whole milk mozzarella has a higher butter fat, it'll brown less in your oven, have a better stretch, and be full of flavor. You always want to make a pizza look beautiful. So you don't want to just make it beautiful and then cut it up and mess it up. You actually want to cut that pizza first and then beautify it. In the pizza business, the ingredients usually go on after the bake. You have a much prettier pizza, you have a much stronger pizza, and all around just much better tasting pizza. When it comes to fresh basil, I always think that's always a finishing ingredient.
Oh yes!